well. AJ wakes up so happy. I just smile every time I see his beautiful face. But it is a very cold morning. It's about 4 degrees. And I have my heavy coat in the back of the car, but I have 3 layers on. I have like a long-drawn long sleeve, and then a Mickey shirt, and then a sweater, so I feel comfortable. Okay, so right now it is 7:50. I am at work. Normally I always get here on time. I'm just not somebody who runs late very often, but sometimes traffic is hard, but I'm usually always on time. And during this time, in the like 10 minutes that I'm here early, I drink my coffee and I get on the phone. First I see if both of my teenagers are where they say they are. They have their locations on their phones, and I just check them and see if they're in high school. And then I send messages to both Brittany and Jackson, telling them I love them and that I hope they have a good day and anything else that I need to say. And then I send a group message to Laura and Abby and let them know that I love them and anything else I need to say. And then I quickly send just a hope you have a good day at work text to Ryan, and then I head in. So I have a very informal job, but it keeps me quite busy. But I take a little brain breaks during the day, and I was talking about that in my last vlog. Like, I don't just sit at work and grocery shop, or shop all day or anything like that, but I deal with numbers and payroll and job cost and stuff like that, and it's just so many numbers, and sometimes you need just a little brain break. And with that shopping online with Kroger's, you can leave it and come back and leave it and come back, and it's just made such a difference. So sometimes I get little tasks like that done. I always have my planner or my bullet journal, whatever I'm using, with me, just in case something comes up or I think of something and I need to jot it down, or somebody calls and cancels or adds an appointment. Lots of things. I've used it a lot here at work. And I get a break around 9:30 in the morning. So I'm going to get those texts sent out, check on my kids, and I will talk to you guys in a little while. I'm just basically trying to show you what some of my actual day is like. We're not going to do the morning routine right now because I'm going to film that, and it's not going to be the easiest routine to film, but I'm going to film that for you guys. But this is just kind of like a day in the life of a working mom, and we'll get to do all the routines later, but I already had my morning routine, and the next routine that I will start will be my evening routine at home. So yeah, it's crazy to be sitting here at 7:53 thinking about my evening routine, but routines are what keeps me going and keeps everything running smoothly. And when I stick to them or do my very best to stick to them, things usually work out better. So, all right, talking and send those messages, check on my kids. Happy Monday. Okay, so really quick, I wanted to talk to you about my podcast. I'm on break right now, and I listen to a lot of podcasts here at work. It kind of helps me zone out noise and chatter and helps me focus, believe it or not. So the ones that I really like is The View. I love The View, but I don't get to watch it, but I get to listen to it. I love CBS in the Morning. I love Anderson Cooper's podcast from CNN. I love Celeb Bitchy, and they just do like a lot of gossip about different stars and stuff and such. I love Nancy Grace Crime Stories. That's a really good one. I love one called Self-Care, and I'm doing a lot in this year to keep up with that. What other ones? Dr. Phil's Fill in the Blanks are good sometimes. Oprah's Masterclass is another one that I like a lot. So lots of different podcasts that I will have linked below, just in case you want to check them out and start listening for yourself. So I'm not going to show you all around the office, but this is our kitchen. It's so nice, you guys. We fix so much food here and eat really, really well. I just thought I would show you. So most nights I meet Ryan by the highway. We get off basically at the same time, and then we pick up the baby. Tonight I had a little extra time. I needed some stuff from the store. I got AJ a bunch of packets. I got dinner for tonight, and I got myself some Mountain Dew. And now I'm gonna go get the baby. So for dinner tonight, I am making the chicken Florentine pasta dinners. I got these while I was at the store tonight. They're super easy. We can't just do one box anymore because AJ eats well. So I got 2 boxes, and hopefully it's good. We'll find out. So there's 2 of everything, and oddly enough, we had heavy cream in our dinner last night. But whatever, we actually like a cream sauce quite a bit. So this is what it's gonna be, and I'm just gonna follow the directions and get busy making it. Is that Mommy's baby? Hi, what are you doing? You helping me with the dishwasher? So AJ basically eats almost every single thing we eat now. So he's got some of the pasta with the spinach, tomatoes, chopped up chicken, some garlic bread, and strawberries tonight. And there's dinner. It actually smells and looks delicious. So AJ and Ryan are both asleep, and right now it's about 9:40, and I pretty much clean as I go when I am cooking. At least I do the best I can with that. We pretty much empty the dishwasher every night while I'm cooking dinner. That's basically how it goes. I get dinner started and I empty the dishwasher, and then I tend to dinner and I finish emptying it. That's just the way we do things. And I fill it kind of as I go as well. So I have my work coffee cup in there, which I probably shouldn't put it in there. It's a Tarvis, and the design is starting to wear off, which actually aggravates me. So anyway, I need to finish picking up the kitchen really quick, switch the laundry around. That's something I always have to do almost every night. And then I'm basically done. So most nights when I feel like it, I clean up the toys. Now, we keep a lot of toys out here because he plays out here with us so much, opposed to just being in his bedroom. But we are, you know, trying to get him to have some independent playtime as well. But I do not like his toys a mess. Obviously, they're a mess right now. He played with them this evening, and he's got his puzzle pieces kind of, you know, mess around, and he's got his book, and we actually just replaced Little Blue Truck Springtime because he tore a couple of the flaps, and it's his absolute favorite book. So he's got another one, and we really don't want him to tear it up, but if he does, we'll get him another one. Most of his books are in his bedroom and his bookshelves now, but we still got quite a few out here as well. So I'm going to get busy. It's only going to take a couple minutes for me to get this kind of picked up and get the toys where they belong. Like, for me, I keep everything together. So his musical stuff came in that little wood box, so we put everything back. His little pilot goes in his plane. I love this plane. He does too.
Preparing for takeoff.
And I just kind of come in and clean up stuff. And like I said, if you do it every night, it definitely ensures that everything looks better. I always forget the way these go on. It looks better, and I have found you don't lose as many things that way. The longer things are not put up where they belong, like puzzle pieces, the greater chance of never finding it again, and I just hate that. So, I work hard at keeping everything together and making sure we have all of the puzzle pieces. There's more toys back here, and it just takes a couple minutes each night to get it done. I love these puzzles, and he does too. And we're always like putting them together. There's something on that puzzle piece right there. I'm not sure what it is, but it felt gross. Where is his other puzzle board? Is it up here? Found it. Now where's the piece that I had for it? There it is. We got the turtle too somewhere. There's the bird. Like, I work really hard at keeping all his toys together. It seems crazy, but we do it. Because I feel like we spend quite a bit of money on puzzle pieces and on, you know, different toys. And I just don't want to lose them. The lion's around here somewhere that goes here. I'll find it in a second. And we're missing the little firefly, and I'll find that because they were there this morning. AJ will take stuff and run off with it sometimes, so if I don't find it tonight, I'm sure I'll find it a different day.
Wow, we fly.
Just putting his books up there for now. Cars. Alright, it's better than what it was. It's not perfect, and we still got a ton of toys in the living room, but it is what it is. AJ recently got this chair maybe a month ago. It's this big, plush, soft elephant chair, and he loves it. He's not in it as much as I would expect, but he's starting to get into it a little bit more, and it's so cute. But everything's picked up. His little backpack that I shared, that I have a giveaway going on, which will probably be ending by the time you see this video, is ready. He's got this little elephant coat hanger by the door, and it holds his jacket, and it holds his little backpack for what we call school, which is actually daycare tomorrow. Hey everybody, so the night is really winding down. I'm going to go get a shower and be in bed in the next 30 minutes, which will put me to bed about 11:15ish. So everything is ready. Clothes are out. Lunch is ready for tomorrow. I don't have anything going in the crock pot for dinner, but I'm sure we'll figure it out tomorrow. And we'll be fine. We got food here, and we can, you know, order out if we want. And I hope you guys enjoyed this little vlog of our workday. I'll have more. You'll see a little bit more of our mornings and such in our routine video that I really hope to get up soon for you guys. But I just kind of wanted to share a little bit with you today. I'll be vlogging again over the weekend, so stay tuned for that. I'm sure this will go live sometime over the weekend, depending when I get to edit it. You know, working full-time and making YouTube videos and taking care of my home and my family and still making time for everything else is kind of hard, but I'm really doing my best to get back to the videos. I know I said that and then I took like a hiatus. That's how you say it, hiatus? For the week. But I had a big assignment that I needed to get done, and all of my time was really focused on that. So it was just that important that I get it done. I don't know anything else. It's been a cold week, and it's supposed to be a wet weekend, so we'll see how that goes. Kind of is sad because it's starting to warm up, or it's supposed to, I guess, but it's going to be raining the entire time. So I don't know if we'll really get around to doing anything this weekend, but I'll bring you along for some of it, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Bye.